When you talk of CPA, we talk of a cost per action. And what are the action you want to perform? You want to fill a email address. You want to download an app. You also want to complete survey. These are cost per action. Unlike affiliate marketing, which without selling, you can't make a commission. That's just the difference between the two. Here, you don't need to sell anything. It's just a little action one need to perform for you, and you start making your money in a cool form. So, for the purpose of this video, we have different type of CPA. It may be CPA lead, it may be CPA grip, it may be OGR or multi-bounty. But in today's video, we are going to be using a CPA grip. And maybe you are watching this channel for the first time and you have not subscribed. What I will want you to do right now, just subscribe, and so that you are going to be seeing me in any time I release new video. And also click the notification bell so that whenever any new video is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. Again, just give me a like and also give me a thumb up so that many people can discover this video. So, like I said, my name is Julius, and I want to appreciate my returning fans because if not you, I'm not nowhere to be found. So, I appreciate you and I thank you. So, continue to subscribe, you new member. In this channel, I do give people very exciting and informative idea that you can be using to make your second stream of income. So without wasting much of your time, let's drive to today's video. We need to choose our offer. And how are we going to choose our offer? We can choose our offer by coming to your left hand side. When you get to your left hand side here, you are going to see a dashboard. You are going to see statistics and chart. You are going to see monetization tools. You are going to see offer tools. There are many ways you can use to make money on a CPA grip or CPA affiliated marketing. It's either you use monetization tools or you use offer tools. When you click on the monetization tools, you can make money with CPA content locker. You can make money with a URL stroke file locker or video locker or offer wall. So that's for that one. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be choosing our offer through offer tools. So you click on offer tools. When you click on offer tools, the next thing now you need to do now, you click on my offer. When you click on my offer, this thing is going to open. It's going to open like this. Under country now, you are going to see Nigeria. Why? Because I'm in Nigeria as of the time I'm recording this video. Then you are going to see category. You are going to see the show statistics. So we are using the United States offer or UK offer this for this video. So you click on this one. So you put United States here or United Kingdom. So you click on this one. And why are we using United States, not Nigeria? The reason why we are using United States and not Nigeria is because the offer from all these first tier countries, their payout is always very high. For instance, now the payout for Nigeria and for United Kingdom here, you can see here, this is $34 $22. But if I go back to Nigeria here, let me put Nigeria here. Nigeria, this is Nigeria here. You can see here that our offer here will be as low as 12 cents, 22 cents. You can see now, this is 12 cents. Let me click on this payout and see the ISP. So you can see here is 20 cents. So that's why we can't use Nigeria. So we need to go back to Nigeria, United Kingdom here. So you put United Kingdom here. So when you put United Kingdom here, the next thing you now need to do now, we have already told you that the offer we are going to be running or promoting will be a email summit. So under this category, you click this one, and you need to scroll down and click on the email so can see summit. When you click on this one, it's going to come out in this form like this. So this is email summit. And for all email summit, I just want to know the highest offer here. So we are saying the first one is $4, 10 cents, $3, and 8 cents. And you also need to consider another matrix. The other matrix is an offer that is having only one operating system. Don't take that one. But if it is at least 3 or 4, Like this one now is three operating system. This is one, this is two, this is three. You see, desktop, is that Apple IO, is that Android. So for the purpose of this video, let's take this one and click on this one. When you click on this one, you say claim your 100 website gift card now. Enter your information now for a chance to win. So, if anybody is able to give me an his or her email, I'm going to make $3.08. So once you have chosen this one, the next thing we need to do now, we need to get the affiliate links. And this is the affiliate links. So you just copy the affiliate links, yeah? Once you have copied the affiliate links, you need to shorten these links. And for you to get shorten this link, you need to come to this Kotlin.com. This Kotlin.com, you come here. When you come here, you put your links on this platform here. Put it here. Then you enter. When you enter, you click a shorten. When you click shorten, it's going to bring your links in a short form like this. Then the next thing you need to do now, just copy these links. When you copy these links, is what you are going to start promoting. So the next thing we now need to do now, we need to start running traffic to this offer. The site we are going to be using now is what we call answer.com. And what we are going to be doing here right now, you need to come to this where you are having this create, and you click on this one, this orange symbol. When you click on this one, then it's going to allow it to open. And when it opens, it's going to give you how to put questions and find answers. And we should not forget that our offer is claim your $100 Webley gift card. So let's just copy Webley gift card here. Just copy this one. Then Webley gift card. You are going to search for that word. Then you come back here. Then you put it on the question search bar here. When you put it here, then you click enter. When you click enter, let's see what will happen. So you can see here that what is the int for Webley birthday party. Then let's move down. If you move down now, you can see that there's only one answer that it has. Then what this one? You say, what is the name of the card for this Visa card? It's only one answer. So you need to be answering questions here and put your links. So at the end of the day, you are going to be getting traffic. Answering questions here. As you are answering questions here, then you are going to be getting traffic. And when they now see your offer and they like this offer, and when they click on that offer and they complete that email, you are going to make money. That's just the simple process. That's just the explanation for this video. And prevention, you are still don't clear with it. I want you to put it off and go back to and start learning from the beginning. So at this point, I want to bring the video to an end and subscribe to this channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. And in addition, just give me a like and also give me a thumb up so that many people will get discovered this video. So I like you and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.